YouTube? Welcome back, KB Nation. Hope you enjoyed that little intro. It's the time of the season, spooky season that is. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you tap that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back, KB Nation. Today I'm getting into an unboxing. I may do a review depending on how I feel right now. This is the Logitech Brio 4K camera. Now they say this is the best webcam that you can get. I got mine from Amazon, as you can see. Like it's right here on the box. Are you stupid? But and this was $170. I'll drop all the stuff, the links in the description to buy this stuff in the bottom, as I always do. Excuse my phone. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'll be right back once I get this open. Stay tuned. Alright, I got this open. This is just something that I ordered with it. I guess they put it together. This is just a little cute, I guess one of the MCM AirPod case. And yeah. But today's video is not about that. It's about this Brio Logitech 4K. You can see that 4K. Is it gonna focus for me? There we go. And this is the back. Pause that. Compatibility. Mac, Windows 8, Windows Hello, Windows 10 for Skype, business, such and such, yada yada yada. Here's the bottom. All that and all that. Here's the side. This is just the unboxing. Like I said, I may do a review. You'll figure out by the time this video up if I reviewed it or not on the quality. Okay, this is the display of it. Hopefully, you know, my lighting is not blinding the product. That should be a good thumbnail. Alright, so this is it. It comes in like this plastic holder thing and the clip, I believe. In fact, let me get, oh, is there anything else in the box? Yes, there is. So we got this open. Boom. I believe this is your USB Type-C cable to the USB cable. So if you got a MacBook, you can use the adapter like I use the dangle, whatever you want to call it, and USB Type-C, because that is the most common port nowadays. I believe it comes like with a little pouch to keep it in. Transportability when you're traveling, say you're on the road. Nice little textures, maybe suede, I'm guessing. Branded logo on it, if you can see. Very nice touch. Clip for the laptop. And last but not least, the instructions that we barely even read. We just freestyle like we got it like that and know it all. Basic 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and different languages, manual. This company has been around for years, probably decades, older than I am probably, and they never seem to disappoint for us technology and computerware. Is that my baby coming in the door? Yes it is. So what's up, Calabi Nation? Alright you guys, so I'm gonna just, you know, I might as well do a review on the footage of how it shoots. So I'm gonna get this up and running, let you guys see the footage, the clarity. Do I recommend it? Is it worth the price? Buying, should you go with a cheaper brand, an off brand, a better brand? Who knows? But I'll just throw all of this at the end of the video. If you made it this far, you might as well tap that like button, subscribe, comment, share, do what you gotta do. Don't forget, on my other video with the Lenovo laptop, comment to win this laptop. And I'll be back. Okay you guys, so This is the camera coming from the MacBook Pro. I believe it is 720 or 1080. I don't think it's 1080, but this is what I did my first reaction video off of. And you can see how like blurred looking it is. It's kind of grainy. You know, I'm a little zoomed in because what my setup is right now. I just wanted to show you the difference. This is coming directly from the computer. And yeah, so let's get back to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Right? It is for recording, testing. We got to go here. QuickTime Player, file, new recording. And how do I want to do it? Float on top. Alright, you guys, so this is me on the 4K Logitech Brio. I just said that all backwards. But this is me right here recording, screen recording off of the MacBook Pro. This is mainly why I did it for my MacBook users out there. I'm shaking right now. But yeah, so this is the quality of it in an LED light setting. I wanted to do it for my gamers out there, you know, who be on controllers out there doing their thug thizzle. Catch me on GTA 5 roleplay coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, this is the ring light I'm using and the LED light, that's it. There's no extra lighting, so how clear is it? I'm really zoomed in because of my laptop is like right here and the camera's like right there. But I think it looks pretty good. The setting that I chose, this comes with the software, Logitech Hub. As you guys can see me clicking, but since I'm on my path viewfinder, QuickTime Finder, you couldn't see it, but here it is right here. I'm going to enlarge this for you. So this is me, as you can see, live in color. We right here. Excuse me, I know I look a mess. I'm just tired, but I'm like, I got this package today. Had a long day. Let me get this video in for you guys and whatever. But this is the webcam setting, camera setting. I have it on 100% zoom. Focus is on auto. Exposure is on auto. You can change to your liking. I'm going to keep it like this because I like what I see. The field of view, I have it at 78, but if you want that wide angle, I would go for the 90 degree. If you want that up close like this, you just gotta zoom in on something. You know, you want that up close and personal, keep it on 65, but I'm just gonna put that 78. Exposure, I kept it on. It was default as priority, and then the HDR, I kept that on. Video filter, new video mode, black and white cartoon. We don't need to know about that. We just have new video mode, brightness 50%. I put my contrast to 55%. I had it on 60, but I'm like, this is doing me justice. The sharpness is on 50, white balance is auto, saturation on 54%. Now the anti-flicker, I still gotta play with that, but I just kept it on 60. And that's about it as far as the Logitech Pro G-Hub software. I made an account. You can disable the device. There's updates to this. Added a name. My picture didn't save. I guess I wasn't doing something right. And you just set it as default. And there's other effects that you have, like I think the keyboard, a mouse. But I don't have any other merchandise from them, so I'm gonna exit out of that. And so what now I'll do is get back to you guys with a regular lighting setting. I'm gonna turn off the LED light. I mix them on if it makes a difference. And we're just gonna see how those look with this camera. So far, so good. I'm almost leaning towards a yes with this cam. I just gotta see what it look like without this ring light. This will be take 2. And this will be me now using the Logitech Brio 4K with subtle lighting. I have my ring light, I have it on like level 3, like a white light, and I still think this is too bright. So maybe a light from the living room. I'll try that last just so you can get the feel. I turned off my ring light that was on my computer. This is with it. I think it's pretty good on like the graphics. Like you really don't need the lighting. Like I can see my freckles and I usually can't see that just when I use my regular camera. So I think it's 10 out of, well, 9 out of 10, because I really don't think it was worth the price. But a guy said with the pandemic it was let's say overcharged. So we're just gonna see what it's going for Amazon now, which is where I got mine. It is $167, $199 before, so I guess they cut off about 30 bucks, $32.99 to be specific. They have a used one for $142, free delivery, but me personally, I do not like used electronics, and I just prefer a brand new product. But you never know, you know, some things are hit or miss, but you can always return it with the return policy if they allow that. I don't see it here, but you know, just have to talk to the seller. So yeah, that's about it. I can check on Best Buy to see if they have it. Sometimes they're sold out and Amazon amps up the price. Logitech Brio. See, they have the Pro out as well for Mac directly on the Apple site. Okay, so they have it for $169. They just dropped this price. It was not this price when I ordered mine. It was like $200 right here. So you can get it from Best Buy as well. You know, if you guys prefer Best Buy, I would recommend them too, because they're really good on, you know, if packages were stolen, misplaced, damaged. Amazon gives me a hassle for some reason. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. And this is it, the Pro. This is actually the magnetic one. But I have like a cute little case on mine, so I would not be using the magnetic feature. But it's pretty much the same camera, 4K Pro. And it just has a magnetic like clip on the back of it. That's the only like special thing about it. But it's unavailable for pickup, but you can get it delivered. Mine came in about 4 days. And let's see. That is about it. I like it. The lighting is good. I'm gonna see how it works to like game stream, but I just wanted to do like a quick video to see how the details were, the contrast, the color, the lighting. This is me with my living room light. That's it. And that's okay. Little orange hue. I prefer my ring light. It's like a white. This is the Logitech Brio with just no LED lights, no overhead light, but I do have on my laptop light. This light off, it's gonna be kind of dark. So if this is what you're looking for, you know, you want to still be able to record and get it done. I'm using my mic this time. The audio is coming from this, not the camera, so you can always pair your own audio if you like, which I prefer, which I do recommend. This is the light feature. Is it on the brightest? This is the brightest it goes, but that's killing me. And this is dim it down some. If you're curious to know what I'm pointing at, is this right here, like I showed y'all before. I'm out. I just want to throw this in, so subscribe to the channel, get that laptop, comment below in the laptop video. And okay, so this is with the ring light lower and the ring light on my camera. I could actually clip it off for you. Got this from Amazon as well. and I was using this. But I say buy it. The other cameras out there, yeah, they're cheaper, but is the quality there? This is good quality. Now my Mac is a great computer, but the computer was $720. You know, what am I gonna do with that in 2020? What am I gonna do with that? This is 1080p, and it can go to 4K. I believe it's in 4K right now. So if you guys like this quality, this look, I would say buy it. I'm probably gonna chop this video up because it is all over the place. I really didn't have much to say. I really didn't even want to do a review on it. Just an unboxing. Ooh. Ooh. Since we're in Halloween season. Still recording. Didn't cut off. Didn't glitch. I'm gonna find out everything after I edit. Oh yeah, and if you're curious again, this is what the little AirPod case look like. I think it's cute. See, I like how that focus, yo. I can't even get my Luminex G85 to do it that quickly, and that's an $800 camera. Like, look at that focus. And it's like clear detail. Like, it's a good focus. Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment below on my laptop Lenovo video, which was about 3 videos ago. I will I will post that in the description below. All you have to do is comment with a honey emoji next to it. It does not matter what you comment. Dope video, nice laptop, love the channel, cute couple, whatever you want to put, just don't forget this right here. It's probably up here, over there, but it's gonna be this right here, that honey emoji. You gotta do it or you won't qualify. And I'm kicking back being bull, bricking back being bull, because I'm tired, I'm exhausted. These lights got me hot. I'm in my game chair. Just leave some suggestions, what you want us to do next. Comment below, like, we need that feedback. Or nah, like, we need it, because, like, what y'all gonna do when we come for you? Now, let me stop. This your girl, Cash K. Hope you enjoyed this tech review. I'm tired. I look crazy. I did the review. And, I'm out.